Few, little, and some are three common determiners in the English language that are often used to indicate quantity. Understanding the differences between these words is crucial for effective communication. First, let's talk about few. Few is used with countable nouns to indicate a small number or quantity. For example, there are few apples left in the basket. In this sentence, few is used to show that there are not many apples remaining. Next, let's discuss little. Little is used with uncountable nouns to indicate a small amount or quantity. For example, there is little water in the glass. In this sentence, little is used to show that there is not much water in the glass. Finally, let's explore some. Some is used with both countable and uncountable nouns to indicate an unspecified quantity. For example, I have some friends coming over for dinner. In this sentence, some is used to show that there are friends coming over, but the exact number is not specified. It is important to note that few and little are used in negative contexts to indicate scarcity or lack, while some is used in positive contexts to indicate existence or presence. For example, there are few opportunities for advancement in this company versus there are some great opportunities for growth in this company. In conclusion, understanding how to use few, little, and some correctly in English is essential for clear and effective communication. By mastering the nuances of these determiners, you can convey your intended meaning accurately and avoid confusion in your conversations and writing.